How to fix AirPods keeps disconnecting calls on iPhone. So the first step that I would suggest is you to make sure that your AirPods is fully charged or is not on low battery mode. So in order for you to check, you may check the indicator lights found on the front of your AirPods, or you may also see it right here. So if it turns orange, then that indicates that your AirPods is low power or the battery is very low. So what you're going to do is you make sure to charge your AirPods and connect it to power. And then if it still doesn't work, then I would suggest to reset your AirPods. So if you have a first gen AirPods like this one, which has no uh, charging, the wireless charging, I mean, then you may go and check on the indicator light right here. Or if you have other AirPods, then you may check the indicator lights right here. To reset your AirPods, you just simply press and hold into this button on the back right here. Press and hold for at least um 30 seconds, and the white indicator light will change into orange, I think. So you should wait for it until it will turn into orange, and you should reconnect your AirPods with your device. And then that should work. If all of these steps that I've mentioned still doesn't work, then what I would suggest is to go to your nearest Apple or Mac center and ask for assistance. So that's it. That's how you can fix AirPods keeps disconnecting calls on iPhone. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.